What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be the second part of build series or revision series for the WRX. If you guys are new here, if you guys didn't see the first video, please go ahead and do so. It should be in one of these cards just so you are caught up. But if you guys are new here, I go by your boy Augusto, Tito.aj.rex on Instagram. If you haven't followed and subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Truly appreciate that. But as you guys could see on the title of the video, we are going to install the air cups from Sans Parts on top of the BC Coils Extreme Lows that I have currently on the car. So as far as right now, real time, I am having a really bad issue with the carrier that the carbon fiber hood is being shipped with, which is going to be the next video, of course. Currently coming from Los Angeles, California. I'm from Northern California, so literally a 6-hour drive. They picked it up. It's been literally about 7 days now, and they haven't delivered it yet. So going through that, selling the end keys. Don't want to talk too much in this video, obviously. So, let me go and show you guys what I have, and then I will go ahead and pretty much tell you who I'm taking the car to, because I myself am not that savvy when it comes to airlines. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Let me go grab the cup so I can show you guys. Alrighty, so here is going to be one of the cups. Let's see if I can focus. There you go. These are one of the cups for the kit. I'm doing all 4 corners just so I could clear speed bumps, go up and down driveways, and not really have to worry about scraping my tome or scraping the front lip that I have. Alright, so this right here is basically what's going to go on top of the coil, right under the top hat, or I guess camber plate if it is in the front. This doesn't really show if this is going to be for the rear or for the front. Now, in terms of getting sizing for this, I did reach out to BC Coils themselves and spoke to their representative, service representative, and asked them for the shaft diameter in order for me to be able to order the sizing for this. But so long story short, I didn't really measure the diameter shaft in person. I just reached out to BC Coils, and this is why I have this. I am on a time crunch. It is about 3 weeks out from the show, and yeah, taking the whole entire kit to Arctic Works, really good at air suspension and stuff like that. So reached out to this guy. I've actually known him since I was still with the American Muscle Club before, which was called Rebellious. So I've known Damien for quite some time. Really hope that I have the right size and everything will work out, because I'm dropping it off today and hopefully picking it up tomorrow. Let me go ahead and unpack everything, and then I'll show you guys exactly what comes in the kit. Alrighty guys, so as I was referring to earlier with shaft diameter sizing, as you guys could see, that little hole right there, this I assume should be for the rear, because the rear was 14 millimeter, and then this one, as obviously it's a lot bigger. BC Coils representative told me that it was going to be 20 millimeters, so I'm assuming this is the front, this is the rear, and then all of this right here is the other components that was basically part of the kit. So you have I believe it is a 2-gallon tank or a 1.5-gallon tank. This is the other front, this is the other rear, and then it comes with literally everything. You have the tank, Sans Parts, as you can see, cups, lines, compressor is right there. It only comes with 1 compressor because obviously the tank's not too big, and comparing this whole entire system to a airlift suspension, bigger tank, actual bags, so you get the point. You don't need 2 compressors. I guess you can if you want to, but not necessary. Not necessarily needed at this particular situation, right? So what I found really cool is that this here in this bag is actually the button that will be used to go, well, to basically run your car going up and down, right? So it's just a button here where you press once, and then I guess it goes down, and then you press it again, it releases air, or it goes up. But yeah, no, it comes with everything. Totally recommend going this route. I haven't really personally ran any cups before, so this is going to be the first time. And shout out to JD Motoring, I think it was. Let me go ahead and check. Yeah, so just check my Instagram right here. Shout out to JD Motoring on Instagram. He is the guy that I ended up ordering this from. So go ahead and reach out to him, and hopefully he could get the StanceParts kit that you are wanting. Alrighty guys, as promised, this is going to be us onto the journey to drop off the car to get the cups done along with the lip install. As you guys can see behind me, that's the lip, and all the way in the back over there is the StanceParts cups. We're gonna hop onto the road because it's a 54-minute drive because of traffic. Alright guys, so we're following around Irene here because we're trying to find the MDF 3/8 thick to be able to reinforce the trunk floor lining, just so that when we do put the speakers back in there, it's not going to cave in on top of the management and the tank for the air cups. So let's go ahead and just follow her around and see if we could find something. If not, we're probably going to go with the 1/2. Alright guys, so we found the MDF, but there's only three options. 3/4, 1/2, and a 1/4. This is going to be basically the flooring reinforcement for the subwoofer when I do put the speaker in the back. So the 1/4 seems to be flimsy, so I'm not too sure if I'm going to go with a 1/2. But if I go with the 1/2, that might be too thick. By the time I probably post this video, it's probably too late, and I'm probably just going to go with the 1/2. Alright guys, so I guess we're going to go with the 1/2. We'll see you guys when we put it in the car. Alright guys, so this is going to be towards the end of the video of the cups. Now, I know it's a little bit short, but I'd rather have it short than have me talk a lot because you guys get bored really fast. So, I listened to you guys. Let's go ahead and just show you guys what is done. And, yeah, let's go. Come on, walk through. So, trunk setup. Boom. There's nothing there. It's all in there, baby. Anyway, it's too dark and I don't want to have to edit this again later. So the tank and the compressor and the management is where the spare tire would have been. Took the spare tire out because I don't have stock tires. I have TEs now. So that's that. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looked like. Alright guys, so as far as right now, I still do need to fix a fitment, which I'm going to do that this Saturday. The timeline on this video is going to be all over the place, but just bear with me here. As far as right now, front fitment is about 1.5 fingers, but if you guys want to go ahead and see, I guess I can show you guys. Where's the button? Where's the button? It's right there. So let me go ahead and press the button and see how high we could actually clear stuff. As you guys can see, it's a lot higher now, but the only annoying thing that I gotta get used to is the freaking compressor. I don't know if you guys can hear it through the microphone, but if you can, take a closer listen. Lastly guys, obviously you guys want to hear that sound because I do too. So let's go ahead and push that button again and let's listen to it. Alright, so there you guys have it. StanceParts cups put on the WRX. Shout out to RIGHTFUL. Damien, shout out to you and your boy for being able to squeeze me in. A little bit more dialed down, such as fitment, so lower it a bit, maybe a little bit more camber, fix the alignment, and we are all good to go for royal fitment. So that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, do not hesitate to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Follow the Instagram, tito.ag.rex. Shout out to everyone that's helping me out on this build. Catch you guys in the next one. Stay positive and be awesome. Peace.